People you don't know media facts now come for talk facts. You see, when I talk the trash, you see me? Yeah man, people that don't know the things that you like, share and subscribe people. Remember you know. You see you start before you start watch a video, just press subscribe button. Click all. Remember click the bell, then click all. You understand? Yeah man. Work with the program, you don't know. Want to get on the content and every little thing, you see me? Yeah man. If you don't have nothing to say or reply or an opinion, say it in the comment. Here's what I try to say here, but we're comfortable situation where I don't know if you want to see the video out there with Michael or Michael Marvelous or something like that. So you know the DJ there. You see me, you see him forward out and him talk about, you know, Alkaline thing, forwarding up in the game and a lot of people turn them back on him and thing. But him call a specific artist name. You understand? But which is so it's a surprising. You understand? Because when I check it, Alkaline and that brother, yeah, when Alkaline just bust, him never in a nothing with that brother, like, you see me? The two of them was young youth. I followed up in that game, you know, Masicka been a try. In their own conscience, them and them look at thing, you see me, him been a try, but it's like, I don't know, him couldn't bust. It's what I try to say, him they all about. You see me, him link with a lot of big people in the industry and every look at thing, but so I say, yo, I want to really watch a video for hear where the DJ I say.
Through the vendetta thing, them draw away from me. Yeah, it trust me.
But why though? Why?
Me don't know why, because them and him have a problem. So them just know saying, boy, I kill a strength that boy there. You know them look away there?
Yeah.
You know them talk
Yeah.
Them just spray man and come here tell you like me and so much of them usually be good, like real G. Yes, man. Me can call him name right now because them know me as a boy when I stay. So me I say no go round thing dog. Me can tell you even Masicka bro like I was my dog. You understand me I say flabber them make me know them to a flabber them neighbor the whole thing where and from that bro like me I reach out to my dog a lot of time. Yo link me tomorrow man run by the time I link my dog tomorrow. Yeah man we go studio look more by the time I link back look more nothing. I mean no feel like say a man for do Ikel marvelous that. Do some look a waste boy that. So me see like him and him do that to me now. I say, okay.
You don't pick up on it and know
yeah, me pick up on it and me just chill out and know say me I play on the song same me you can go and do.
Well, just to the video a while ago. So basically he say yo, when him did Alka thing and forward up and you don't know Alka make him fly go so and Alka give him first boss like intro and make him intro and song and all of them look at something else. Me I try to say. So he must say yo, a lot of people stop deal with him through him start do things Alkaline and all of them look at thing there. You see me? And he must say yo. And him bust out a name and him say even Masicka. You understand? Even Masicka start move away. You see me? And him say, yo, him can't believe say Masicka deal with him so. You see me? But I'm did some little streggy mans or whatsoever, you see me? So he must say, yo, when him start link with Alka, a lot of people stop doing a 2D, him must say him reach out to Masicka and you see me? Him reach out to Masicka and Masicka go around him and all of them look thing. So he must say, yo, how kind of thing this? But you see? Remember in them time, back in them time, the Masicka, nothing never go on him there, so him their conscience, him go around a lot of people, boys like, as you don't know the industry call him kind of them time the iron balloon, you see me hard for boss man. You see me? Him the hard for boss people. You understand? Hard for boss. You see it. And when you check it, Alkaline forward in the game and do him thing and after Alkaline boss, Masicka boss after that. You understand? So I don't know if a man carry some feelings because he might try how long. You see me? And to me, it ever seems like some Badmind thing or something. You see me? Because a man maybe feel like say, yo, you wanna try and ray. And remember this, you know, this are the thing, you know. Remember say, you know, maybe this why maybe I'll pre Ikel too. Because him in a game how long and him try and him can't bust. You understand? And then when you look now, you see it. When Alkaline bust now, him no bust yet, you know. You understand? Him no bust yet. So when him say, yo, Chano. Because you don't know Ikel Marvelous say yo Ima and bridging, Masicka and bridging and things. So Masicka maybe I say yo that's all the brother. You know, him see Alka boss and run the place and him a try for years and couldn't boss and run the place like how Alka run it. And then when him look him see him bridging Marvelous. You see me? Him bridging Ikel Marvelous I do intro for this artist, yeah. You understand? So I start pre and all them all sort of thing and one bag of thing, you know. You understand? But for sure you still yo Badmind is a dangerous thing, you know. Yeah man. Imagine, because you cut off your real bridging, you're bridging because he's an artist who run the place car. Remember, you know, people, if you look on that video with an interview with Masicka's on stage with Winford, when Alkaline thing bring up, pre that video, people.
So you just commented on Tommy Lee. Comment for me on Alkaline. What about Alkaline? What's your view on Alkaline? You
All
know
right.
rate him?
Personally, Alkaline is a talented DJ, but him for just accept the fact say him live in a Vibes Cartel shadow and him a try be Vibes Cartel.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And him still now come and say him a try be Vibes Cartel. As I say, me no rate Alkaline still. The music bad, but the type of thing them when him sing about as a youth from the street and as a youth we grow in the street and know the street. And that's something with me.
When I just see the video a while ago, seeing, if you realize, the man say, yo, ooh, Alkaline, remember, you know, them time, you know, Masicka, no, you don't really get that big break yet, you know, but Alkaline, I run the place them time, every artist want a piece of run off him wave and all of them thing. You see me, at them time, you see it, and when you check it, see, you realize, say, yo, when him say, yo, him not rate Alkaline, but him rate him music, me I say, what? Me I say, them time, bro, the two young man, Alkaline, not this man, nothing for you understand? When me see, I say, yo, no man, this now make no sense, because, oh, if you not rate the man not do nothing. You understand me? I say, yo, no, but here comes Ikel Marvelous, show up all the way did I go on. Them time look like a bad mind the youth. Because there's no way. You and the man never catch up or no problem. But you say you not rate the man. Like, oh, if you know the man not doing nothing, oh, you just not rate the man. So I don't understand. You understand? And the way him say it, you can see the way him say, oh, Alkaline, I don't rate Alkaline. But you say the man do good music or whatever. He have some good. I say, brother, it don't make no sense. So basically, I get Marvelous, I say, yo, true, maybe do the intro, start link with Alka. Masicka kind of cut him off and all of them look a thing there. You see me? But when you pre, I say, yo, I saw them man pre-life. I saw them man pre-life. Because when you check it, you know, Alkaline and Masicka back then, them never have nothing. Alkaline never see this youth. A people that try put and say one bag of thing or whatsoever. You understand? Them that try bring Alkaline in a some conflict thing. I remember, I think I'm engaged in a some. You see me? I think I'm engaged, so him and Alkaline never have nothing. Alkaline and nobody never have nothing. It's just that Alkaline that run the place them time. Everybody want to ride with him. Everybody want in a confrontation with him and all of them thing there. Alkaline never really amends them. You see me? But the brother here, when he Masicka, I tell you, bro, bad cut off him dog because him dog do a look of intro thing. You see it. And I roll with Alka, but bro, what you want the man do? Man a making money, brother. You understand? Man a making money. You see it? Because what? Man link him and all of them because what you want man do? Because you, the man are your bridging or whatever, and man will do an intro. You should happy for the man, brother. You should happy if the man say man a make a food. You understand? I say man a DJ, you know. You can't, the man can't click one side or whatever. But it show you, say yo, anybody who represent, and if represent Alka, who link with Alka or whatever, it's like the whole industry don't pan them. The whole I'm bridging, man say whole I'm people who use a linking, which cause them a link with Alka, them cut him off and all of them look thing there. You understand? Which, bro, if you check it, Alka really do nothing, them money nothing better. Alkaline do none of them nothing. Some of them only carry feelings to one man. You see me? Feelings them carry for one man. Cause Alkaline just busting that game. Alkaline don't see the man a do him thing and I sing him song. You understand? So, because Alkaline never beg them nothing or whatsoever, them feel like say, yo, if him not bow, him not get no link or whatsoever. Alkaline don't need none of them link. You see what I'm trying to say? But the Masicka thing now, so him cut off him bridging just because, you know, him a link with Alka and Ray. I remember, you know, say, you know, Ikel them time then Alkaline bust as an artist and them thing there. Ikel Marvelous a pre say, yo, he want to make a food. You understand? Because man I say, him have a little chum change and I say, what? A big opportunity for artist link him and get him intro and every little thing. The man never pre say him a diss nobody or whatsoever. You understand? The man just say, yo, he might try and make it out, they might try and make him food. Because man I say, yo, if I intro this and them know me, you know. Yo, me I get beer bookings and all that. The man a pre him future, him family. So him, I go cut off the man because the man a try and make a money. You understand? And the thing is that when the man they run for sure, yo, when the man they run Alkaline thing, the man say, yo, Alkaline no. Alkaline never tell him yet say, yo, no play the DJ there, no play the artist there, play this. You understand? So I respect him for that. You see it? So I tell the people, now this is a dancehall space, you know. I don't know Alkaline really do them money, you know. To be honest, you know. I don't know what Alka really do them money. From Alka bossing at the game, I just be a hate. You understand? Because for sure, you know, if you watch a video,
up with Alkaline and Cartel. You accept that Alkaline is ahead right
no,
now?
you have to accept that. You have to know, say right now, we talk facts. You understand? If I'm a Cartel, Alkaline, I'm over there right now. And you know, say the genocide, and the fans them need to see the genocide. Nobody else not really did it. We not see nobody else.
I just see the video a while ago, see? Remember, you know, when Masicka just been time them get hardball, you know. In first breakthrough song, hardball when him get Z and the E, and him dip on the ER and thing, and the man I say, yo, if I'm Alkaline, I'm over there, Vice Cartel. See? For sure, yeah, you know. At this when the man bust now, you know. Zine, and you see who him call Alkaline name, make it sound like say him and the man have nothing. That's why I try to show you say back then it was just some little feelings and Badmind thing. Cause if him still have up Alka, he would involve Alka in that conversation there. When he must say, yo, in a dancehall right now, if I don't move out the Alkaline or you see me, or him or Cartel, you see me? So for sure you say actually him boss now. Make him call them man the name. Worse call Alkaline name because him say yo Alkaline I do it. But he show you say yo back then vex him did vex. Say yo look how him come say them young, you know. Remember say back then no young artists never too could have bust them time if they not get some endorsement by some big artists or carry on stage or whatsoever, you see me? So after that now, when him bust and get it the hard ball and breakthrough, now him realize now, you see me, him forgot about that because him say him bust you know. This him the one. But then when him up on the thing with Winford, he never pray that a Badmind thing. You see me, because for sure if him you know what? The interview with Ikel, you know, people remember for like, share and subscribe. Remember that. Click the bell, people, click the bell. You understand? Yeah, people, but you know what that video showed me with Ikel Marvelous? It showed me when I see the interview where him do with Winford, you know. And say, yo, when I be there and narrate, you narrate, just get up and narrate a man, so I don't understand. And the way him say it, him all stutter like him and say, oh, Alkaline, when I rate Alkaline, he can know. I mean, I pray myself some Badmind thing I go on. Then now, when Ikel Marvelous come said this now in 2025, now I realize I seal it, so. Seal it, so. You see me? Because them time there, he never bust yet. See? And Alkaline never do Masicka thing. Them time there. You see me? Alkaline just bust. Masicka never bust yet. After now, he bust when Alkaline bust. You see me? So it shows say, yo, them man, brother. I tell you, they might carry some unnecessary feelings, bro. You see it? Unnecessary feelings. But a good thing, Alkaline just stay in them lane and all of them thing there. You see me? Yeah, man, because I tell you, brother. You see, especially as a DJ, you can't even, if Alkaline artist, you better just. You can say it, but why just up, you know, you go through a rough patch. You see me? Yeah, man. You go through a rough patch, man. You see me? That me I tell you, the industry is really against Alkaline Terroratic. You see? Yeah, man, really against him, man. Cause, show you, a man say your boss and us. No like say your boss, brother, because him no boss yet. You understand? And worse, him realize, say, what? My good bridging, I can Marvelous. God do inch of your artist. Wait, how long man I try now? And he not even do an inch with me. If you that the man I pray, bro. You see? Yeah, man, cause people will pray for any little thing, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. But people you don't know, you know. See a little situation, we just come for talk. You see me? Just leave an opinion in the comments and things. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know. I mean the facts. That is it.